Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. As Ethereum is pushing higher, the green trend line that I showed you in the previous video is still holding and is supporting the immediate uptrend further. I've added another trend line which supports the very steep and direct uptrend here. Not sure how long this is holding. These are typically quite fragile and start to break easily, these very steep trend lines. We're now approaching the next resistance levels. I've updated these earlier today already on the chart. We are now approaching the next, let's say target zone, resistance zone. And the next swing high here is defined at around $3,500. So there could be a bit of a resistance there. I think we talked about that in the previous video. I've added additional Fibonacci levels, 3,508, 3,584, and 3,639. I'm not telling you we have to get rejected at one of these because the trend is up, right? And we're now in an extension mode. So this third wave is extending wildly and could continue to do so. I'm labeling this as a diagonal pattern. I mean, it could be an impulse. Sometimes diagonals look impulsive, but there are different ways how this could be labeled as a running flat here. Could even be an ABC, but that's not so important. You know, micro counting in third waves is not productive. I've given up on that a long time ago because people, trade this then too direct. So that means if I tell you, okay, we've reached this extension, or no, not the extensions, that's fine. But if I tell people, okay, we've reached now a full wave count, people start to sell, and then the third wave just continues to extend, which is normal in third waves. And I'm therefore, already a long time ago, I started to move towards just tracking the support levels, maybe adding a few trend lines to support the trend, and then people can just focus on these because they give you in third waves much more direct signals. Because in crypto we're so overextended. I mean, do you really want to wait until the price breaks below 3,068, below micro support to take profits, when we know we are bearish? No, it's too far away, right? So you need some earlier signals if you're trading futures here. But yeah, we're still extending and we still only have 3 waves up, and we need 5 waves up to confirm that we've really bottomed with a lasting low here, this wave 4. I removed the directly bearish scenario because of various reasons. I removed that from the chart, but earlier today already I added this triangle pattern. I communicated that already, I think, throughout the day on Discord to Gold members. I added a triangle pattern, which is something I consider because this structure here has a lot of problems, just structurally, to confirm a lasting low. But from a triangle point of view, if you're following my Solana videos, then you know what I mean. This could just be a wave 4 triangle. A wave, B wave, C wave. We're now doing the D wave. E wave could be a high low, and the D wave needs to stay below the 3,990 level. So it's a contracting triangle. Maybe we're forming here a lower high. If we then get a setback, that could be another buy opportunity for an E wave of a wave 4. So it's just something to track. But at the moment, all we're tracking the immediate uptrend, which is still ongoing. Next levels are clear. Oops. Next upside levels are clear. Trend lines are clear. Support zone is clear. So if the first trend line breaks, it might send us to the second one. If we don't find support there, it's likely that we test support, and if we then continue to move higher, then we have 5 waves up, and then we can call that a wave 1. Pullback is a wave 2, and that would be also a setup. So lots of setups possibly coming, and I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.